welcome back to McGammy's channel. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And also follow us on Instagram at Naturally Mature One.
Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the Naturally Mature One, coming to you with another video. Today I am coming to you from my closet because I have a wonderful daylight coming in from outside, and I just didn't want to put those lights on me today. But I wanted to share a few things with you all and catch up with you. First, I want to say I hope you all are safe, doing well, staying home, and just taking care of yourself. And if you are an essential worker and you're out there because you have to be out there, please be safe. Make sure you're washing your hands all the time. Make sure you're not touching your face. And guys, just take care of yourself, because you know this stuff ain't no joke. I've had a few friends who have lost someone to COVID-19, and this diva right here, I'm staying in the house because I can't afford it. Nope, because with me being, my immune system being low, I ain't going out there to catch nothing, and my family ain't bringing nothing in here to me, because I have 2 essential workers in my house, and when they come in, they strip, they wash, they make sure they are completely clean before they even come near me or my other child. So whew, this ain't no joke, guys. We got to take it serious and start taking care of ourselves. But I wanted to come here and say I hope you all are doing good, and I wanted to give you a little update. I have not been doing my hair that much, but I've been keeping it like in braids or up in a bun or just all over my head looking a hot mess. But I wanted to come back and tell y'all that I recently made a purchase, and I thought I would never make this purchase ever. But guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so distracted because I'm looking out my window, and my window to my closet faces the outside, my backyard, where there's a lot of forests and trees. And I just realized God is amazing because it is so beautiful outside today. I wish I could. Alright guys, I'm back. My Sims card was full, so I had to get another one. Alright, so as I said, I was stating, it's so pretty outside today. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I'm just so blessed to be alive and to see this beautiful day. So I just got distracted by the beauty of nature. I'm sorry. But I just wanted to come to y'all because I did a major purchase, because since we're on lockdown and can't go out anywhere, and they want us to stay home. The World Natural Hair Show event got canceled that was in Atlanta by Tali YG that she gives every year, and it got really, they said not canceled but postponed, and it's really postponed to next year, so you might say it's canceled. Really? But I try to save up yearly with that, because I buy a lot of products from them. If there are any major tools that they sell, I'm gonna try to buy. And then my hotel fees and all that stuff, I had saved up a lot of money. So that little funds that I did, I used a few things to pay some bills off. You know, that's the best thing to do. But I then also bought myself something that I thought that I deserved. As my husband say, I worked every day, and it's time to start spending stuff on ourselves, because we have been taking care of children all our lives, seems like. But let me get back on point. But I bought myself something I thought I would never buy, because I just assumed it was just too expensive. But after looking at reviews and researching it, and then just deciding to just go ahead and do it, I went on and brought this item. So the item I am talking about is the Dyson hair dryer. Now I know all of y'all saying, what in the hell? Yes, this sucker is $3.99, but let me tell you how I did it, because I did not get a PR package. As I told you all, I am not sponsored by anyone. What I did was QVC. QVC had this amazing product on their page, on their website, and I went on in and looked in there, and I said, okay, $3.99. And then, but only thing I loved about QVC, I don't have to give them the whole $3.99 up front. I can do monthly payments within either 4 to 6 payments, and I felt that it wasn't so bad by doing it that way. I didn't feel like I was just taking $399 out of my checking account and throwing it right at product. It's like I'm taking a little bit at a time getting the product. So I am happy I did it that way, and I'm truly happy, because if I had bought it from Dyson, all I would have got was the dryer and 2 attachments. But buying it from QVC, I was able to get a gift box, and that's what it's called here, the Dyson's gift box. That's what it got right here. When it's like that, it's the Dyson gift box. And I was able to, it's called the gift edition. I'm sorry if you can see that. It's called the gift edition. And buying it as a gift edition, I was able to get the dryer. And then I'm gonna talk about it later on, but I just love it. The dryer, the stand, the diffuser, and 2 attachments. And I was able to get the warming pad, the cool down pad. So, I mean, and Dyson, if you buy it from them, all you're getting is the dryer and the detachments. That's it. You don't get the cool down pad. You don't get you might get the cool down pad, I think, but you don't get the stand. So I got the stand really for free for $3.99, because at Dyson it's $3.99 also, but you don't get all the items. So I think I made out by buying it at QVC, and I didn't have to bring out major $3.99. If you're one of the people who don't have $3.99 right now because of all this going on, you can do it in monthly payments with QVC. Check them out. Check them out, because I buy a lot of stuff from them on a monthly plan. Don't make me feel bad when I buy something. So check it out. I just wanted to come and show you what I brought, unboxing it. I will tell you more about the product later on, how I feel about it, because this is right here is where I diffused my hair when I did a co-wash about 2 days ago, and my hair is still popping and rocking, and I'm loving it. So I just wanted to come to you all and let you see what I brought, check in. Oh, and also give you some news. Today, well yesterday, my son, my middle son, and his girlfriend had another child. Well, had a child together, and her name is Nia Grace. Nia Grace, and she is gorgeous. I love her. She's a new addition to our family. I just can't wait to hold her, but I can't until mama come home from the hospital. And then my mother, who I love dearly, today is the 10th, and today is her birthday, and she's 84 years old today. And my sister and I are so blessed to still have a mom with us. She's a diva in all way. I get most of my personality from her. She's a diva. She still rock heels when she wants to at 84. If she could, she'd go clubbing every day. She's slowing down a little bit, not much, but she's still a diva. And she lived life the way that she wants to live life, which I love her, because she's taught my sister and myself how to be strong black women in this world. I'm not taking any crap from anyone, and I just love that about her, that she gave me that attribute. So I just want to give that out. And so happy birthday, mama, love you. And to all my family and friends, thank you for the love and support. To all my subbies out there that's still rocking with me, thank you for the love and support. I just want to say just thank you, and thank you. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Guys, life is so precious, so enjoy it. I hope you're having a great day today on Good Friday, and enjoy your holiday and be safe. Smooches.